Hi, this is Mike at Rockland County Computer Repair, where we are repairing the digitizer on a iPad Air, and it's all cracked. So what we do is we tape up the front of it because there's so many pieces of charred glass, and then we heat it up and we remove it carefully, and then we're going to disconnect the home button and the cables and then replace it. First we have to clean up some of these bits of charred glass, but it should be an easy repair. I'm going to show you how it turned out in my second video, so stay tuned. Bye for now.